The Ministry of Home Affairs and the Department of Immigration stand accused of operating a parallel justice system after immigration officers allegedly rearrested and continued to detain a Chinese national weeks after a magistrate ordered his release. Salabina mashoko bdanyo kapangwa inojenze. Aide top aid in abduction storm. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell. Tipina mnamo bdanyo kamshenzi. Yin Jintrao, a mechanical engineer employed at Shigao Machinery in Harare, was arrested on 8 August on allegations of money laundering, exchange control breaches, and firearm offenses. A magistrate granted him bail the following day, ordering him to surrender his passport and to deposit $500. Instead of being released, lawyers say Yin was immediately taken into the custody of immigration officers acting under the Home Affairs Ministry and the Chief Immigration Officer, and he has been held on what is counsel described as an extrajudicial warrant, a procedure that lawyers say has no basis in law. Yen's legal team at Yahun Law Chambers argues that the conduct amounts to contempt of court and an unlawful subversion of Zimbabwe's justice system. The firm says Yin holds a valid temporary employment permit and an investment license through the Zimbabwe Investment and Development Agency and is not a prohibited person subject to deportation, meaning immigration has no lawful grounds to detain him after bail was granted. His lawyers have filed an urgent High Court application seeking his release. Under Zimbabwe law and constitution guarantees that no person, citizen or foreigner may be detained without trial. Section 50 requires that anyone arrested must be released or brought before a court as soon as possible, but not later than 48 hours after arrest. If a person is not brought before a court within that 48-hour period, they must be released unless a competent court has earlier extended detention. Ndo mashiko ari kuonekwa panguva ine kuri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa maChinese panguva ine vari kutowana luxury munyika yeZimbabwe kunyange vari maforeigners nokuda kwekufola andasvikananda. Mbotidzai mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wapinda comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.